Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome, subscribe, and I will be doing a random makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys like this video. So make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Erika Cruz. Hey guys, so I will be doing a random makeup tutorial for you guys. Hope you guys like this video. Okay, gone. I use this for the eyeshadow. So I will be using this palette by Becky, treslucebeauty, the Flor de Mexico palette. So I will be using this one, Lady Slipper, this one. Don't mind the voices of my parrot talking in the grandchildren or that. Okay, we used that, so now we're gonna go with some lash color to do our lashes. It hurts a little bit, but not too much. So now we're using this mascara Ball Lash Mascara by LA Cutters. So we're done with that. We're gonna ash cut it one more time. Okay, that's done. So now we're gonna be doing our lips. I will be using this one by Liquid Valve Lip Gloss by She. So we're done with our lips. So I will be doing my hair off screen. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like these. Did my hair and here's a funny look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.